Alright you guys, so today we're going to go over our first degree moving to second degree black belt self-defenses. Right, so first 4 of them are all going same side wrist grab. Things are going to happen on all 4. My front leg is going to step in, I'm going to push my wrist towards their belt. Right, on number 1, I'm going to go inside, so I need my palm facing down to open that part up, pull my elbow across the wrist, and shoot back to the face. Pop. All together motion is, hey, hey! Number 2, first 2 steps are the same. Step in, push your wrist. I want my elbow slightly below my other hand. Now I'm going to shoot my hand up, high enough to where I can drop my elbow on top of their nose. Full motion is, hey, hey! Number 3, shooting downwards. So attack his thumb. I'm going to step in, and I'm going to turn my hand all the way around, shooting towards his back foot, pulling him down here. Next motion, drive that elbow straight up. And here, hey, hey! Number 4, I'm going to turn my hand outwards away from us. So I'm going to step in on the outside of his foot and turn my hand outside away. Somewhat like an inside block. I'm going to turn my palm back towards me as I push across here to release. Last part, turn my head back, use the other hand, palm straight to face. Full motion. Hey, hey, yeah! Number 5, from here to the footwork is step back. He's going to step forward to choke, and before he can reach towards me, I'm going to step back to extend him out, and my other hand's going to go around, over top both his wrists, drop. From there, my right side gets closer, and elbows right back to the face. All together. Bah, bah! Number 6, the footwork is your back leg's going to shift back into a front stance, still trying to pull my partner in. As he goes forward to choke, I step back, both my arms go inside and double outside, and then grab the back of his neck, lock in, knee strike towards the body. Full motion. Hey! Yeah! And last one, the most important part is on our feet and our footwork. He's going to start with his jab. As he jabs, my front leg side is going to hit him in the ribs, push off, and move my body weight back. When he follows up with a rear hand punch, drop down, spin sweep to the left. Our full motion. Back, up, back, turn. Sit up. Bow, yeah. Sir.